This dance is called Bamboo. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some side mambo steps. So you go to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right beside the left. That is your side mambo, 1 and 2 count timing steps. Repeat with the left. So you rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, step the left beside the right. Into a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, move that right foot back as you rock back on that right, recover your weight on that left again. That's your rocking chair. Let's put those steps together. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Side mambo, rocking chair. Now when you do this rocking chair, you'll find throughout the whole of this dance there's some optional arm movements you can actually add in. With the rocking chair, it includes both arms. I've only got one phrase, you just have to imagine I'm doing it with both. As you rock forward on your right, your arm is going to come up with your little jazz hands. So you're going to raise your arm as you rock forward and recover. As you rock back, your arm's going to come back down. So it's a rocking chair. So up and down with both arms. Optional styling steps should you want to try and add that in. So having done our rocking chair, we're going to add on a jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross your right over the left, step back on that left, quarter turn right as you step that right forward, making sure you have turned your whole body, don't just twist it, cross the right, left over the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight back on the left, cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the right over the left, left to the side, right over the left. So that set of steps once more then. Jazz box, quarter, cross. Off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle. Now again, optional hand styling movements in this particular section. So when you do your side rock, you can actually wave your arms to the right and then back to the left as you recover back on the left. So you wave to the right as you rock on the right, wave to the left as you recover on that left. Optional, should you wish to have a go. So you might want to just concentrate on the steps to start with and then put the hand movements in as you get familiar and used to the steps. So let's add those two sections together. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle. Now I am deliberately keeping this slow for now, so you can get the steps in the right order in your head. So point the left to the side, flick the left back. Now when you do flick, don't just flick it back behind, flick it to the left. Because you're then going into a cross shuffle. So if you flicked it back behind, you've now got to whip your leg round to the front. If you just flick it back to that left, your leg is in the right trajectory to go into your cross shuffle. So these 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Into 4 hip bumps. So you're going to step the right slightly to the side as you bump right, left, left. That set of steps once more then. Point, flick, off on that left. 7, 8. Point, flick, cross, shuffle, arms are going to come into play here. When you do those hip bumps, same as with that side rock, you can swing your arms from side to side on the hip bumps. Optional, should you want to give it a go. So let's add that to the top. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle. Point, flick, cross, shuffle, bump, right, left, left. Step forward on your right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Shuffle forward on the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, right, close, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, into a coaster cross, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left back, right beside left, cross the left over the right. To a coaster cross. That set of steps once more then. Stepping forward on the right, into that pivot. 7, 8, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward, rock, coaster, cross. No arm movements in that last section. So that is the end of the dance. When you get to that coaster cross, let's put it all together. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle. Point, flick, cross, shuffle, bump, right, left. Step, pivot, right shuffle, forward, rock, coaster, cross. So that is your dance. Now, because it has got quite a few hand counts in it, I will go through with the counts so you can get a really good feel for the timing. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully you can see exactly where those and counts are fitting in. Now, the music is quite a bit faster than we've just been going through that wall. So I'm going to go through the front wall again, a little bit faster. And because it is a 4-wall dance, we're going to go around the other 3 walls. We're going to keep going through all 4 walls, and I will continue to speed it up a little bit as we go around each of the walls. Here we go then. Side mambo off on the right. 7, 8. Side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle. Point, flick, cross, shuffle, bump, right, left. Step, pivot, right, shuffle, forward, rock, coaster, cross. Side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle. Point, flick, cross, shuffle, bump, 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 step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side mambo, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, bump right, left, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side mambo, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, right, left, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross. Hopefully you managed to keep up and follow all of those walls. So we say the music has got a little bit of a kick to it. I think it's enough to track myself. And that's it, that's your dance, that's your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, six, seven, eight. Side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, point, flick, cross, shuffle, back, right, left, step, pivot, right, shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side mambo, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, point, flick, cross, shuffle, right, left, step, pivot, right, shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side mambo, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, point, flick, cross, shuffle, bump, step, pivot, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster, cross, side mambo, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, point, flick, cross, shuffle, left, step, pivot, forward rock, coaster, cross, side mambos, jazz, pivot, solos, jazz, points, pivots, hammers, jazz, points, pivots, mambo, jazz, pivots. Hope you managed that one.